I know how frustrating it is to hit a wall with CurseForge and WorldPainter incompatibility errors. After struggling with these very issues myself and testing countless approaches, I finally found several reliable ways to fix them. I'm excited to share these solutions with you right now, so you can get back to building your amazing Minecraft worlds without any more headaches. First, let's talk about updating your software and its parts. Programs often have small mistakes called bugs. Developers create updates to fix these bugs and help different programs work better together. If one program is old, it might not understand newer information from another. Updating everything makes sure all your programs are speaking the same, newest language. This helps avoid problems from old code. Next, we have a clean reinstallation. Sometimes program files get damaged or mixed up when you install them. A clean reinstall gets rid of all those old, possibly broken files. It's like starting fresh. Then you put perfect, new copies back on your computer. This makes sure no bad data is left behind causing trouble, giving both programs a fresh start. Our third method involves checking your program settings. Programs have rules they follow. If these rules are wrong, or if one program expects something different from another, they can clash. For instance, if both programs need Java, but one is using an old version, they won't communicate right. Matching these settings, like how much memory they use, helps them work together smoothly. It's like making sure everyone agrees on the game rules. Finally, we look at file integrity and permissions. Your computer needs to let programs read and write files. If CurseForge or WorldPainter cannot reach important files, they cannot work. Running them as an administrator gives them full access. Sometimes security programs might accidentally block parts of good software. Checking that no files are missing and temporarily pausing security software helps us find out if it's causing issues. Then turn security back on. This makes sure your programs have all the things they need to run correctly.